t squared then 0 and equal to 0, V and I was given to the function. So we have to find the maximum value power delivered to the circuits. So P is V, I. V was 0.05. This is I. Okay, this is the milli. Okay, so this is Y. E2 minus 1000 T. 75 minus 75, E2 minus 1000 T. So I'm going to skip the calculations. Finally, 3.75 E2 minus 1000 T minus 3.75 E2 minus 2000 T. Okay, this is what. So that was the power in terms of the T function. So I mean, that was the maximum value being. We're going to find the slot. I'm going to show you. So whatever you want, the slot is going to 0. Okay, slot is going to 0. So it means we have to derivation dp to find the p of the function. Okay, so minus 3,750 e to minus 1000 t plus 7,500 e to minus 2000 t is going to 0. Okay, so finally p is max in some point t right there. Maximum at t was 693.15 microsecond. Okay, microsecond. So the p sub max value, that was p of 693.15 microsecond. So it means we know the p, the function. Okay, what is the p function? Right there. There we go. So in here, we put the value t second, and then finally we get the 937.5 milliwatt here. Okay. All right. And the question 2, find the total energy delivered to the element. So we learned before in the equation in the slides that here the energy was 0 to infinity. Why? Because from the questions, the below to the 0 of, from the t is going to 0. So this is why. Okay. So the p 3.75 e to minus 1000 t. That was the given we have already defined before from the question A, 2000 t. Okay, and dt. All right. So I'm gonna just skip the calculations. 1000 over 3.75 minus 2000 over 3.75 over 2000 is equal to 1.875 millijoule. Keep in mind, the energy unit is like joule, okay? The power is the unit watt. That's what I wanted to do, okay? Any questions? All right, thank you. All right, the second questions. Show the power balance. That question deal with the power balance from the circuit shown figure the 1.7, okay? Using voltage and current value in given the table 1.1. That was the given, okay? That was the given voltage and current for the components, okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, D, H, okay? So value for component change, D change the minus M. All right, so from these questions, we have to verify finally the supply power and the observed the power is the same. What is it? This is balance. It's the power. Okay. All right. So step by step. So the P sub A is what? Go back to the figure. The P sub A. Where is the A components? It's right there. Okay. So the I sub A the enter the components, right? So what is it? That was the observe. Means V and I, the plus. This is PA. Okay? Plus VA and I sub A. What is the V sub A and I sub A? 120 and minus 10. 120 minus 10. Okay? That was minus 1,200 watts. Still missing the units. And how about the P sub B? Go back to the circuit, power distribution circuit, the components B. In here, the leaving the components. Maybe again the current polarities, the passive convention theorem that reference in the plus. Okay, so that was for going out. It's like the supply, right? Supply is what? Minus VI. So that was the P sub B. What is the V? Minus 100 voltage, because right there, where the other color. There we go. There. And then I is 9 amp. Okay, minus 1080 watts. Here we go. How about the seed? Okay, seed was, this is the I sub C. This is the observe. Okay, so P sub C is what? P sub C, the I sub C. So that was the 10 times 10, 100 watts, because C right there. Okay, same thing, just like the same pattern. Um, so the H is also the observe. Okay, P sub H plus VH and I the H. Where is the H? Minus 220 minus 5. How about the G? That was the observe. Okay, so P sub G, I sub G, P sub G, 120 times 4, 480 watts. And then how about the E? The E is P sub E. That was also the observe. This is I sub E. So P sub E and I sub E. E is also right there, minus 10 and 910, minus 10, minus 9. So how about the D? Okay, how about the D? The D was supply, because the I sub T, they're going outside. So P sub D minus P sub D and I sub D minus 10 minus minus 1. So 10 watts, 90 watts. Okay, D was right there. Okay, how about the F? F is supply. So P sub F minus P sub F, the I sub F. P sub F, I sub F was given. Okay, minus 100 right there, and 5. 900 minus 100 and then 5. Okay, okay, that was minus 500 watts. Oh no, just I'm sorry, minus V sub F, the times the I sub F, the plus 500 watts. That was one to do. All right, so all the components we have the calculated. So the P sub the H, and after we find it, so we're gonna just the delivery means the plus 1,200 plus, oh, that was the minus 1. And then the summation, the P sub maybe observe, mean the plus value, the deliver supply, the minus value. That was 100 plus 10, 90, 500, 400, 1,000, 2280. So therefore, so piece of delivery and piece of the observe, that should be the same. Okay, that's what I wanted to do. So that interconnection now satisfies the power check. Okay, thank you.